obviously preparation is crucial. So you start with adjusting the pressure of the machine itself, and then as you go along the line, you've got to adjust the fine flow of the spray, especially when applying the top coat, making sure you don't have too much overspray or too less finish onto the panel wall. So you've got to have that constant application methods and looking at the fine finish. So it's all individual down to the particular sprayer. It is a challenge. You can't stop until we finish a detail, a segment of the whole structure. You've got to have that constant flow. You can't stop. You can't stop for a second until we finish a section, a detail, keeping a wet edge, the overlap, and at the same time looking at the quality of what you're doing, what you're achieving. So it is challenging from a sprayer's perspective. Our sprayers, the hooker sprayers, we always try and do the best finish. It's a never stop learning exercise being a sprayer. On this particular one, you want a really good finished product, but at the same time, you want to keep the authenticity of the whole panel, of the whole building. You've got to stay in between the quality that you normally achieve on a job, on a brand new panel, and keeping that authentic old finish of an old building. So it is a bit of a challenge, so you've got to stop here and there just to give that roughness. And again, you've got the English Heritage coming and inspecting your work, so you have to think about this one as well. You've got to make it look authentic,